Hello everyone and welcome to break 1711 for the 2019 Panini Origins. I want to thank everyone for getting the break and all of you watching. Let's go ahead and check out the current date and time according to eBay. It is Monday, April 6, 2020. It's 11 o'clock p.m. Eastern Time, 10 o'clock p.m. Central Time, and 8 o'clock p.m. Pacific Time. I like when that works out. All right, Tony, you have 6 spots. Mitch has 1, CR Mag 1, Shopper 3, Jace 2, Detour 2, Matt 1, Mile with 9 spots, ST Mask with 1, Lyle with 3, Triple B 1, Just 1, Brett with 1 spot, that is. We're going to take every single spot, randomize it 7 times. Excuse me. Tony is on top, Brett's on the bottom 7 times, and after the 7th time, after 7 times, that'll determine our teams for the break. So we have Mile on top and bottom. All right, Mile, you have the Cardinals, Jace Falcons, CR Mag Ravens, Triple B with the Bills, Lyle Panthers, Mile with the Bears, Mitch Bengals, Mile Brown, Shopper Cowboys, Matt with the Broncos, Mile Lions, Just with the Packers, Jace with the Texans, Tony Colts, ST Mask with the Jaguars, Tony Chiefs Chargers, Detour Rams, Tony Dolphins, Mile Vikings Patriots, Shopper Saints, Tony Giants, Mile Jets Raiders, Tony Eagles, Lyle with the Steelers, Detour with the 49ers, Lyle Seahawks, Shopper Buccaneers, Brett Titans, and Mile with the Washington Redskins. All right, all sealed up. So whichever team is on the card, that's where the card will go. So good luck, everybody. Okay, let's see what we have here. Redskins Case Keenum, 119 out of 175. One down, 6 to go. Oh, that's wild. Hang on. We have 2 Ben Roethlisbergers back to back. We have 267 out of 299. And a base. That's pretty wild. So Steelers, you have 2. AB, Antonio Brown and the Oakland Raiders. Where is he going to end up this year? Who knows? Jarrett rookie auto for the New England Patriots. Is he the future? We will find out here in a few months. But very nice for the New England Patriots. Appreciate that. All right, we have a redemption of somebody. What do we have here? A.J. Brown. Rookie Jumbo Patch Auto. A.J. Brown, congrats. If you've never had a redemption before for Panini, you're going to go to paniniamerica.net. Set up an account, scratch that off. You'll get this, obviously, from us. But the card itself will come from Panini. So, congrats. Very nice. And then last but not least, we have here Noah Fant, 55 out of 75, Denver Broncos. 3 colors in it, a little bit of orange bottom right. Part of a number. Worn material for Noah Fant. All right, nice box. Let's go back through and see who is getting what. Brady fan, sorry. He's gone and not coming back. All right, Case Keenum and the Redskins. Washington Redskins going to Mile. Congrats, Mile. Two for Pittsburgh. Got the Ben base and Ben at a 299. So both Ben Roethlisberger's Pittsburgh Steelers going to Lyle. Congrats, Lyle. All right, Mr. Antonio Brown. Going to Oakland. Oakland going to Mile. Congrats, Mile. All right, let's see where the Jarrett rookie auto. Is he the next Tom Brady? New England Patriots going to Mile. Congrats, Mile. All right, Noah Fant, 55 out of 75 for the Denver Broncos going to Matt Wright, 1558. Congrats. That was a solid no. I don't need anything for that. And then we'll look up the A.J. Brown Redemption Rookie Jumbo Patch Auto for A.J. Brown. Very nice. Congrats to whoever has the Tennessee Titans. That's going to Brett. Congrats, Brett. That was break 1711 for the 2019 Panini Origins. Want to thank everyone for getting the break and all of you watching. We do appreciate it. Don't forget to click that red button right next to your right thumb at the moment. You'll find us on eBay and on social media at P2J Sports Cards. We hope to see you all very soon. Stick around for the bonus break spot, and then we're on to the Gold Rush Football Value Pack. Thanks.